And welcome back again to another application update within the True North portfolio. Today we're going to be looking at AssetForge. AssetForge is a tool for classifying objects from within the 3D experience space, specifically today VPM references that are released. Tomorrow we would like to be able to include Windows objects such as Word documents, PowerPoints and images, and allow classifications of those as well. And we'll also be expanding out the objects that you can drag and drop from the Innovia platform, such as materials. Once the UI comes up, we can change to dark mode or light mode. You'll note that you can log in using your 3D experience credentials. Once the credentials have been approved, you can select your collaborative space, organization, and role just like you normally would within Innovia. Once we're logged into AssetForge, the first screen is going to display the GitHub repository where we store all of the updates for AssetForge. This way you can see exactly what's happening with the application in real time, any bug fixes, feature requests, improvements, and so on, and then decide when you want to upgrade. The way AssetForge works is a three-step process. First, you're going to define a library structure. We give you the root library by default, and then below that you can define your own general classes and subclasses. These general classes you can edit, delete, move within the structure, lifecycle, and edit the properties. Once your structure has been defined, the next thing we're going to do is go over to attribute management. Within attribute management, we'll define all of the attributes that we want to assign to the classes. We'll give the attribute name, display name, and once we click out of display name, you'll notice that on the right-hand side, we've automatically translated to Spanish, French, Italian, and German for you. Next, we're going to pick an attribute type, such as dimensional, with a magnitude. Next, we can supply authorized values if you want. These will be semicolon delimited values. Once that's done, you can choose a default value if you want to. It is not a requirement. Once you've created your 5 separate attributes and submitted those, they will show up in the attributes list. Again, we can edit those attributes and delete them. Once all of your attributes have been created, we can head back to the library class view, select a specific general class that we want to work within, go to the Attributes tab. Here we can select Add and choose an attribute to add, or multiple. When we select Add, we can see the attribute has been added in. Next, we can go to Objects, and this is where we start the classification process. I'm just going to pin this, go find a released product, drag and drop it into AssetForge. When I do this, I'm going to get asked to define the attribute values and submit. Now I've done that, we have classified that VPM reference. What the designers can do now is once you've classified everything, we can then use the filter list to go filter down by fastener material. And then once we've filtered, we can open it up into the thick client. It's here. This gives your designers the ability to quickly find parts that you've classified within your organization and to utilize those within the thick client. If you have any questions about AssetForge and the way that it works, or you'd just like a demo or a trial, please contact us at contact@truenorthplm.com, and we'd be more than happy to help you out. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Have a great day.